Hi friends, thanks for tuning into our Little Robot Friends channel. Today we're going to show you how to write an encrypted message for your Cipher invitation card using invisible ink. First, let's take a look at what's in our kit. 1 blank card, 1 invisible ink pen, 1 brass fastener, and a cipher wheel template. You'll also need a pencil or pen, scissors, and markers for decorating. A shift cipher is one of the simplest types of encryption. It works by moving letters in the alphabet left or right to make messages look all jumbled up and meaningless, but actually, they follow a logic. Step 1. Get your cipher wheel template. Write the letters of the alphabet on the round big circle. Do the same for the smaller circle too. Step 2. Cut the wheels out. Step 3. Place the small circle on top of the big one, and then insert your brass fastener into the center to keep it in place. Step 4. Now you can create an encrypted message. I'm going to shift the letters 3 times to the right to make my message secret. This means that A actually doesn't equal A equals D. Let's encrypt the message CAT's rule. F, D, W, V, U, X, O, H. Step 5. It's time to design your cipher card. Decorate the front of your card however you want. Step 6. Now it's time to write inside your card. The message I'm going to write is, "You are invited to my virtual escape room, but first you must prove that you're a worthy player. Find and crack the code hidden somewhere on this card." To write your cipher message, you're going to need your invisible ink pen. Use this to write the cipher onto the card anywhere you want. To see this message, you can shine the UV flashlight on the top of the pen over the card, and it'll reveal exactly what you've written. So now you're done. Give the card to someone and see if they can find the invisible message using the invisible ink pen and also the cipher wheel. Good job! Share your creations with us by tagging us at Little Robot Friends on social.